Well, good morning, Jaginder Rana here. The topic for our discussion today is what is life insurance? What is life insurance? The life insurance is a contract between a person and an insurance company for a number of years, covering either the lifetime period or a fixed number of years. In India, life is protected by a monolithic institution called the LIC of India, but thereafter, after opening the market for private insurers, number of private life insurers have entered into the arena. Life insurance is also called an investment because of number of reasons. It provides protections against risk of early death. It can be used as a collateral for taking loans from banks. Life of key man and an association can be protected. So three basic things can happen during the term of a life insurance policy. The policyholder can live, die, or become disabled. So in some states, life insurance is protected from creditors and life insurance proceeds are tax-free. To understand life insurance, it is important to appreciate the economic and sociological forces impacting the industry, causing changes in its structure and products. The objective is to select appropriate products to provide long-term satisfaction. Risk and return are very much a part of the picture, and one must understand the risks to realize the potential return. Life insurance is no longer just a fund to pay your funeral. Life insurance has become a very valuable tool in wealth building, tax reduction, and succession planning. Life insurance is very complicated. The perspective that a good advisor will have on a client's need for life insurance will depend upon many variables. Three basic things can happen during the term of a life insurance policy. The policyholder can live, die, or become disabled. In some states, life insurance is protected from creditors. The life insurance proceeds are tax-free and can be applied to partnership, corporation, LLCs, and trusts. Life insurance is the key to good financial planning. On one hand, it safeguards your money, and on the other, ensures its growth, thus providing you with complete financial well-being. The life insurance can be termed as an agreement between the policy owner and the insurer, where the insurer, for a consideration, agrees to pay a sum of money upon the occurrence of the insured individual's death or other event, such as terminal illness, critical illness, maturity of the policy. So it's a matter of protection at the time of death because it gives provision for estate duty, and it is sum of money received at the end of particular number of years. That is the termination period of the contract. Life insurance is therefore called an investment with an element of protection and an element of investment. There are two elements of life insurance. One of the most important is that investment and protection. So it provides to the small man a sum of money at the expiry of the number of years. Usually the life contract taken by person in from 15 years to 25 years. The earlier they takes the policy, the lower the premium paid by him to the life insurance. This accumulates over the years and the time of retirement. So, life insurance provides protection against the risk of early death if a person dies before a policy matures. For payment, the life insurance corporation undertakes to pay the sum of current contract to representatives or the dependent number of deceased persons. It gives protection to the family at the time, but the requirement is the highest. People consider life insurance for various advantages like tax benefit, facility of loans, mortgage facility, growth through dividends, risk cover, protection plus savings, builds the habit of thrift, safe and profitable investment, assured income, protection against health expenses, and planning for life requirements. So these are certain benefits which are considerable because people have an idea that planning for life stage requirement is important. Life insurance not only provides the financial support in the event of untimely death but also acts as a long-term investment. You can meet your goals, be it your children's education, their marriage, building your dream home, or planning a relaxed retired life. So according to your life stage and risk appetite, traditional life insurance policies, that is, traditional endowment plans, offer inbuilt guarantees and defined maturity benefits through variety of products options such as money back, guaranteed cash value, and guaranteed maturity value. Protection against health expenses means life insurance through riders or standalone health insurance plans offers the benefits of protection against critical diseases and hospitalization expenses. This benefit has assumed critical importance given the increasing incidence of lifestyle diseases and escalating medical costs. Assured income is there because life insurance is one of the best instruments for investment planning. So the money saved during the earning lifespan is utilized to provide a steady source of income during the retired phase of life. Safe and profitable investment is there because life insurance is a highly regulated sector. IRDA, the regulatory body, through various rules and regulations, ensures that the safety of the policyholders' money is the primary responsibility of all stakeholders. Life insurance, being a long-term saving investment, also ensures that the life insurers focus on return over a long term and do not take the risky investment decisions for short-term gains. It builds the habit of thrift because life insurance is a long-term contract, whereas policyholders, you have to pay a fixed, as a policyholder, you have to pay a fixed amount at a defined periodicity. This builds the habit of long-term savings. Regular savings over a long period ensures that a decent corpus is built to meet financial needs at various life stages. Then protection plus saving over a long term. Since traditional policies are viewed both by the distributors as well as the customers as a long-term commitment, these policies help the policyholders meet the dual need of protection and long-term wealth creation efficiently. As far as risk cover is concerned, life today is full of uncertainties. In this scenario, life insurance ensures that your loved ones continue to enjoy good quality of life against any unforeseen event. Growth through dividend. Traditional policies offer an opportunity to participate in the economic growth without taking the investment risks. So the investment income is distributed among the policyholders through annual announcement to dividend or bonus. Mortgage facility is there. Insurance acts as an effective tool to cover mortgages and loans taken by the policyholders today, so that in case of any unforeseen event, the burden of repayment does not fall on the bereaved family. Now, facilities of loan. Policyholders have the options of taking loan against the policy. This helps you meet your unplanned life stage needs without adversely affecting the benefits of the policy they have bought. Then tax benefits. Insurance plans provide attractive tax benefits for both at the time of entry and exit under most of the claims. So life insurance is an investment gives the benefits of both protection as well as capital fund at the age of retirement. Life insurance policies do not offer a high yield like other investments. However, the LIC policies provide other benefits. They provide the protection of life to a person. They have other benefits of deductions of taxes and loans can be taken on their policies. Life insurance has become a very valuable tool in wealth building, tax reduction, and succession planning. The private insurance companies in India have made insurance industry competitive. RIC is, however, still the largest in volume of its life fund. The variations and alternatives available in life insurance have increased significantly, but the industry still is unable to communicate clearly the cost and benefits of life insurance policies to the public. Thank you very much.